Hello and welcome to this beginner's tutorial on using Java Collections Framework's TreeSet. In this tutorial, we're going to explore the TreeSet class in Java Collections Framework and go over some example code to demonstrate its usage. So let's dive right in. What is TreeSet? TreeSet is a class in the Java Collections Framework that implements the set interface. It is an ordered collection of objects that is based on a set data structure. Creating a TreeSet. Let's look at some of the methods TreeSet provides. 1. Add object. Adds the specified object to the TreeSet if it's not already present. Returns true if the object was added to the TreeSet. Otherwise, it returns false. 2. Size returns the number of elements in the TreeSet. 3. First returns the first lowest element currently in the TreeSet. 4. Last returns the last highest element currently in the TreeSet. 5. Remove object removes the specified object from the TreeSet if it's present. Returns true if the object was removed from the TreeSet. Otherwise, it returns false. 6. Iterator returns an iterator over the elements in the TreeSet in ascending order. That's it for this tutorial on using Java Collections Framework's TreeSet class. Now that you know the basics, feel free to explore the different methods and experiment with the TreeSet class in your own code. Thanks for watching and happy coding!